In this video, we'll see the prepositions and the relative pronouns. So if these relative pronouns are not really clear or they're not really fresh in your memory, please take the time to have a look at the lesson because you will need that knowledge to be able to understand this lesson. So we will focus mostly on, or only, on the preposition contre in this video. So we can start now. Alors, because we want to be thorough and we want to make sure that we master all these things perfectly, we will cover, as usual, the feminine singular, masculine singular, feminine plural, and then the masculine plural. So we'll start with le féminin singulier. So the idea, of course, is to use the preposition contre, and so we'll have, in fact, two possibilities or two cases. The first one is if we want to introduce this contre with a living or animated thing. So let's take the example here. La candidate contre qui je vais débattre ce soir a des idées politiques terribles. Alors in that situation, it's quite clear that la candidate, well, first it's feminine, then it's singular, and then it's a living thing, it's a person. So, la candidate will be here. Then after that I put, of course, my preposition contre. And the pronoun that I will use right after will be qui. D'accord? La candidate contre qui je vais débattre ce soir a des idées politiques terribles. So it will be interesting because, well, I give you the tip right now. This qui will go for the feminine, the masculine, the singular, and the plural. So in fact, when we're talking about people, it will be extremely simple because you just need to put after your preposition combined with qui. Let's have a look now at the second category, and it will cover the animated and not animated, but clearly not the persons. So that will be the main difference between the two categories. La barrière contre laquelle je suis adossé a été fraîchement peinte. So in that situation, you can see that la barrière, well, it's feminine, it's singular, it's a thing, so it's not living. And you will put contre, and then you will put the relative pronoun, le pronom relatif, and it should be, of course, the feminine singular one. Laquelle. La barrière contre laquelle je suis adossé a été fraîchement peinte. D'accord? Allez, let's have a look now at the masculine singular form, le masculin singulier. Le masculin singulier, so contre will be, of course, the preposition that we will construct our structure with. And then first category, living and animated things. So we'll take the example now. Le candidat contre qui je vais débattre ce soir a des idées politiques terribles. So in that situation, same thing as previously, you can see that le candidat, it's a person, this is masculine, this is singular. You just put your preposition contre, and right after, as I told you previously, it will be simple because it will be qui. Le candidat contre qui je vais débattre ce soir a des idées politiques terribles. Allez, deuxième catégorie, second category, and it will be for the animated and not animated things. Le mur contre lequel je suis adossé a été fraîchement peint. So in that situation, you can see that le mur, well, clearly it's not animated, it's masculine, it's singular, le mur, then you put your preposition contre, and after that you will put your relative pronoun. It should be the masculine singular form, lequel. Le mur contre lequel je suis adossé a été fraîchement peint. So let's remember, laquelle was for the feminine, lequel here is for the masculine. So let's have a look now at the third category, féminin pluriel. Alors, féminin pluriel, contre, will be, of course, what we want to use. Living animated category, les footballeuses contre qui nous allons jouer demain sont vraiment très bonnes. Alors, les footballeuses, so in that case, we're talking about living things. We're talking about the feminine and the plural. Then, contre, and as I told you, it will be always qui. The good thing, singular, plural, masculine, feminine, it will be qui. Les footballeuses contre qui nous allons jouer demain sont vraiment très bonnes. Let's have a look now at the second category, animated and not animated, because of course that will be the tricky one. Les injustices contre lesquelles nous nous battons sont terribles. Alors, les injustices, this is feminine, this is plural, then we put contre, and after that we'll have to put, well, the feminine, plural, relative pronoun, lesquelles. Les injustices contre lesquelles nous nous battons sont terribles. D'accord? So recap, laquelle, feminine singular, lequel, masculine singular. In that case, it's lesquelles, feminine plural. Let's have a look now at the masculine plural, le masculin pluriel. And so, contre is the preposition again that we're using. Living animated, it will be extremely simple. Les footballeurs contre qui nous allons jouer demain sont vraiment très bons. So, now you can see that it's really a piece of cake. You just put your word, les footballeurs, you put your preposition contre, and then it will be qui all the time if you're talking about people. Les footballeurs contre qui nous allons jouer demain sont vraiment très bons. Let's have a look at the animated and not animated category, and here it comes. Les obstacles contre lesquels je me bats semblent énormes. Les obstacles contre lesquels je me bats semblent énormes. Same thing here. Obstacle, masculin, pluriel. Then contre, because this is the concept. Lesquels, this is the relative pronoun that should be here in the masculine plural form. Lesquels. Okay, so let's recap. Laquelle, feminine singular, lequel, masculine singular, lesquels, feminine plural, and this one is lesquels, masculine plural. Les obstacles contre lesquels je me bats semblent énormes.